Today I wanna show how you can set up the lights like a pro in your Archviz project. Under the video you can find the links and download these presets what we make today. My name is Ruslan and I'm a professional 3D artist in Archviz. I made a lot of Commerical projects for the several last years, and in this channel I wanted to show you how I made it. I wanted to give you my experience, my materials, my assets. It can help you to make your project faster, to make your project better. Few words about this project. This is my Commerical projects. Last Commerical project, it calls Sonata. It's a 3 big large apartment. It placed in Russia, in the city of Yekaterinburg. You can find the final video result of this Commerical project in Behance. Please like it. I used in my projects Unreal Engine 5.5 because I used these guys. This is Anima 4D people, and it does not work very well in 5.6. There is no shadow in the past traced mode. I very like past trace, and I made my Commerical projects only in past trace mode. I like it because it have beautiful shadow, beautiful reflection, beautiful lights. Let's get started. First of all, I wanna to show how I make my organization in my projects. First of all, we need to make a level. It's easy to use, it's easy to organization your projects. First presets I called default because it has default settings of Unreal Engine. Default, and this project it's called Sonata. Okay, next one, you need to open these levels. If you don't see it, you need to check up these levels, okay? And then you can drag and drop your new level into the levels. Next one, I pressed Alt 2. This is shortcut for past trace. How enable past tracing if you don't have it here? Let's go edit, project setting, then you need to past tracing and enable this check-in, okay? Then in the past trace in post process, if you want to set up yourself, you can do it. You need to just path trace and disable this for default. This is my setting for the past trace. Sometimes I increase it to the 600 when I have some issue here, some noise. When I want to increase the noise, I increase the sample per pixel. For the past trace, I won't record full video. For the setting of past trace, for the some issue of past trace, some plus, some minus. Okay, next one, what I want to do. I want to place lights, basic annual lights, directional light, HDRI backdrop. Next one, we need a fog, and the last one, we need a sky atmosphere. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to organize my folder, lights HDRI, and I want to drag it in my new folder. Next one, fog, and just drop to the folder. Okay, let's check it. I already have my post process. I already set up it a few projects later, and I just copy paste to my project. It my custom settings. You can download it under the video in the links. What we have HDRI, and we need to choose the right one. I like and already downloaded. It's called, where is it? Yes, Far Field HDRI. This is it. Okay, check it now. You can download this Far Field, this site. It's called Polyheaven. You need just to node farm, and this is it. HDRI 8K resolution I used for this case. Now next one, what we need to do, we need to increase the size. Next one, what I want to rotate the sky. I want to the blue sky. Where is it? Yes, this is some blue sky almost. I want to decrease a little bit brightness and increase the brightness of the sun, directional light. Next one, I want to some position. What I want from the sun, I want to make some plans. The first plan is the sun, is the light in the first plan, yes. In the second plan we have shadow, dark, and the second and the third plan we have lights again. That's why we have depth of our shot, and it's looks good. Yes. Next one, what I want to enable fog in the past trace. It does not work by default. You need to check up this volumetric fog and increase the intensity. Just 3, maybe 5. Okay, 3. If I want to make a bit more saturated my sky, I need to open the HDRI backdrop and increase the intensity of saturation here. Sometimes it need to calculate and you need to wait, and it makes some difficult for me. That's why I have a second preset where is the setup of the brightness, the setup of the saturation. It's more easily rather here. What I want to do next, I want to check out. Yes, there is some issue what I want to show you. What do we see now? We have lights in the sky, yes, but we don't have lights in our scene here because we have sky atmosphere. If you increase, decrease, it doesn't matter in your scene. Yes, it does not look good. You need to delete sky atmosphere and increase again. Now it's work in the right way. Bring it back the directional light, and now I want to screenshot these first presets, and then in the end of the video we can compare these presets. Now I need to screenshot. I want to screenshot big. That's why I pressed F11. We need to wait when the past trace calculated the lights. Let's wait calculation and then capture. Yes, this is our preset 1 HDRI. Next one, we need to make a second preset called custom. Just save it. In the second preset I used the same directional light. Now I need to make a new level, custom, yes, Sonata. Next one, drag and drop to this scene. For this preset I wanted to use the directional light and exponential high fog. I just in this level double click and just Ctrl D, lights custom. There is a new directional light in our new level. Then I just hide the level of the HDRI, and next one I place the sky atmosphere and skylight. Go to my folder, what I want. Folder, it's called custom, yes, custom folder. I place it here. Now I want to place it my sky sphere and sky material what I made for these presets. I need to drag and drop sky sky sphere. It's just a shape of sphere. With invert normal, I want to increase the size to 1000. And next one, I want to use material sky shader path trace. Yes. What it looks like. The same HDRI, but EXR and 16K. Then I have tint. I can color it. I can tint it if I want. And I have settings. I can easy more saturation. I can easy increase intensity if I want it. Yes, and I increase contrast. It very easy. These presets, these materials, it also in the link in description. You can download it. It's free. It's simple. Just UV, just the texture, just settings of the color. Okay, close it. Next one. What I want to next one? Where is my sun? Where is my sun? Maybe it's need to, yes, cast shadow we turn off, and we have what we want. Next one, skylight. It's need to check up real-time capture, and we have more reflection in our window. We have more reflection in this window, and I used often about 1, about 0.5. I wanted to show how you can animate this. If you want to animate clouds, we just need to drag and drop to the sequencer, and we need to make position here and make position here. Yes, and we just rotate a little bit, just like clouds. For the real result, you need to make it slower. Next one, what I want to show you, I have clouds shadow material. We can animate it. Yes, no. Yes, we can animate it. We need to directional light material. We don't have material for default here, and we need to choose it. It's also, you can also download it. Material of clouds, shadow of clouds. I used it in the upper view when I want to make it more realistic. Now I show you how it animated. It's very simple. You just need to move these UVs. And the second one of animation, you can just drag and drop directional light here, transform, check out, and move your sun. Yes, and I pressed 4 to linear animation, and now wait a moment. Now we have animated clouds. Yes. Maybe you don't see it in path trace in viewport. I just show you in the lead mode, lumen, in the lumen, how it animated. You can make the alpha mask render. I tracking camera for this view, for this video, drag and drop to the Unreal Engine, and with the Clink I made time lapse of the construction this district, this Sonata. Render of alpha mask, it look like this. Yes, there is no sky, because we can just hide it, but it also work for this scene. What we need to do, we need to enable after indirect lighting while hidden. Yes, and just hidden in game. And we need to hide this also. Now in viewport we can see it, but in the render there is no skylight. Now we just hide it. And we have nice lights. And we can alpha mask render. Okay. Okay, next one. Make a screenshot of these presets and move to the third preset. Also we need to wait when the path trace accumulate the lights. Path tracing accumulate the lights, we need to just screenshot it and check it. I want to name it. There is custom, yes. And save it. There is HDRI. Okay, yes, save it. I like the custom presets because it has more reflection. You can see it. It has more reflection. It's easy to set up. It's easy to animate. And let's go to the next one. Next one presets. It's called Ultra Dynamic Sky. Okay, I need to hide this level. Yes, and I want to make another one. Level lights UDS Sonata. Yes, yes. I also use my post-process volume for these presets, and I need to drag and drop Ultra Dynamic Sky to my scene. Yes, where is it? It's here. Okay, let's go. The second one, what we need to do for this. First of all, I like it very much. I like very much Ultra Dynamic Sky for some reason, and I'm show you why I like it. Next one, we need to enable path trace, adjust for path tracer. Okay, you can see there is nice, it's nice. And we need to disable running high fog. It's some issue with fog. It has noise. Now you can see it, but I see it. And in the render, there is noise, there is sharpen that I don't want. I just disable it. And the second one, I want to place the sun a little bit down. I have a long evening shadow. I want to choose the cinematic offline for the sky. I want to decrease a little bit skies. Yes. Now let's check it. What we have skies. Yes. If you want to change the clouds, you can move cloud direction. You can move phase. Always I use just change phase of the skies. A little bit here clouds, yes. And next one, I want to enable the fog. We need to enable volumetric fog and increase it to the 0.5. Yes, yes. Next one, let's check it out. Next one, setup for parte. Yes, this is all for these presets. It's very easy to set up, just Ultra Dynamic Sky and the post process. For the Ultra Dynamic Sky, there is a lot of option, a lot of setting you can use in your projects. For example, you can easily make sunrise, sunsets. The next video I wanted to show you how you can set up the Ultra Dynamic Sky for your Archviz projects to improve your Archviz projects. Yes, okay, let's press F11 and make a screenshot for these presets and And finally we compare the all light presets what we make today. Yes, we need just to wait when the pass trace accumulate the lights. Yes, we are waiting almost here. And capture this. Let's check it and let's screenshot and name it this. Okay, save it. Yes, save it. And now let's go to compare our results for the light presets. Custom was second, HDRI was first, and UDS, yes, it's third. Okay, HDRI, the first one preset. Custom, the second, with more reflection, and the ultra dynamic sky. It's less reflection, but it has deep shadow. It's very easy to use, and in some scenes I used my custom presets. In some scenes, mostly I use ultra dynamic sky presets. For this video I want to end it. In Russia we have some Russian pronouns, and this one don't have 100 rubles but have 100 friends. So that for this video it's all what I want to say. Let's see in the next videos, my friends. Goodbye.